wanted to make just a quick short video about the monorail. If you're planning on visiting Disney property, Walt Disney World property this year, 2021, then you may want to watch this video to know what to expect when you ride the monorail. Some things have changed. Join us as we ride. All right, so kind of get a peek into what the inside of the monorails look like now. They took down, or still have the barrier, but they've added a few more barriers to the monorail. So Disney is definitely preparing to increase capacity. So definitely going to where they're going to try to get, looks like 4 different families, 4 different groups on each monorail.
The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
Before it starts, I'll give you a shot back here, kind of see what these look like. So you do got a pretty big gap. So, and then you have the others on the other side. You have the canvas that separates you. All right, better sit down. So if you have a stroller still, you'll still need to take up the center. But it looks pretty well protected. We are the only family currently on this side of the gray divider. Deirdre, you made a good point. What did you just say?
I can't see.
You can't see anything. You really can't, can you? I mean, it blocks so much of the view. You can still see, obviously, out your window you have, but you used to be able to look across and see out this one. No longer. If you like this short video, please consider subscribing, sharing the video, and if you like it, it really helps the video out. Thanks, everyone.